Hey everyone, congratulations. You are in. You are inside the membership training site. And so this is where it all begins, right? So really excited you're here and really excited to hear your success stories as you go through this journey. And I'm here, right? If you need me, I'm here. If you need to reach out, have any questions, in the private group, you can message me personally. I'm here. I'm here to help. So let's do some housekeeping first. Look, there are modules in here in the training you can see on the left-hand side here that may be relevant to some and not so relevant to others. If you're a brand new, just starting a cleaning business, every single module in here is relevant to you. If you're someone that's, well into their cleaning business and they're just strictly looking to scale it, looking for a way to scale it, so looking for solutions to getting staff, dependable, reliable staff, and to getting more clients, then you may only need to access certain elements of this. What I would say, though, is despite how deep you are into your cleaning business or how much success you have, just browse through some of them anyway, because there may be something in there that may be an aha moment and help take you to the next level. With that being said, everyone's going to process this stuff differently. Some people are going to get through all this stuff in the first week, start actioning it and get going. Some of you, it may take you a few months because you're busy. You like to do one a night or, something like that. And it may take you a little longer. You may have to ask some questions, and that's okay. Everybody processes information differently. That doesn't mean you're failing. We all do things differently, and that's pretty natural. If you are an action taker, you're going to do well with this. This training, what you put into it is what you're going to get out of it. This is not magic. It's not a get-rich-quick formula. It requires work, it requires effort, and it requires you to be dedicated. So what you put into it is what you're going to get out of it. If you follow 3 or 4 of the steps and then you don't do a really important section that assists those first steps, you're probably not going to get the type of results you need. So for example, if you put the sales funnel in place and it's generating you a ton of leads, and you're not executing a strategy for hiring and training so that you're getting enough staff to service those new clients, if you're just sticking to your old way of doing it and that doesn't work, then it's probably not going to work, right? It's a broken process. So the advice I will offer is, if you're serious about getting results and having the type of success that you want from this, follow the instructions step by step. Don't stop halfway through and say, this is too hard. I'm just going to go back to doing it the way I used to do it, right? There's a reason you're here, because the way you were doing it before wasn't working for you, right? So this is a chance to try something new and to have better results, to have different results. So again, if you start part of this and implement it into your business, finish it so that you can see what those results potentially look like, right? Your success depends on it. And again, I'm here if you need me, so certainly feel free to reach out. So in the first section here, this is primarily for newbies, right? It's about registering your business and getting everything in order, like registering your business with the IRS and city, county, putting insurance in place. Make sure you have insurance for your business. Benefits for your employees, if that's the way you're going to go, workers' comp, all that stuff, so that you're registered, you're legal, proper running business, and you're setting yourself up well, right? Really, 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 really important that you do that. You want people to see you as a professional outfit. You want to have the right systems in place that are protecting your clients and protecting your business and protecting your employees, right? Super, super important for being successful in this process. So that's just, a quick start sort of for the newbies, so they know how to get up and running and get things registered and get going. Next step is design your own logo, right? Create your own logo. a free software that you use, that you're going to be able to use to create your own logos, your business cards, flyers, pamphlets, coupons, anything you want to create, you can create in here. It's completely free. I've been using it a long time, and this will walk you through how you do that step by step. And so this one here as well is how you can create an About Us video for your website. If you already have a website, nobody likes to read the About Us section. It's boring, right? This allows you to create a video for $30, $40 that's an About Us video that you install on your website, you put on YouTube, you optimize it, and guess what? People find you in a lot of other places. Google loves you because they own YouTube and they love video content, and they'll start giving you a better search result ranking. And people are going to watch videos. The reality is people watch videos. So you can add that to your website, put it on YouTube, put it on your social media pages, whatever you want. This is the Website Builder module, which is 3 modules. Website Builder Training, 3 modules, which will show you how to build a website step by step, start to finish. You do not have to be techie. I've had many people use this and with great success and get out the other side and have done really well with it. This is probably the most lengthy part of the training for sure. How to create your social media pages. There's going to be more added here very shortly. And so how to get them up and running and looking professional. We're going to add some more training too on what you should be posting, etc., etc., so that people are interested in what you have to say and start to see you as an authority in the industry. Here's all your forms, docs, scripts. So there's a quick video that just runs through it with you. You can just download these. Add your logo to it if you want, change any of the information you need to change so it reflects your company and your business. Everything's in here that you need. I'm adding these today: residential service agreement, commercial service agreement, but you can see everything in here. How to hire. Here's the thing that walks you through how to hire people, how to find good staff and hire them. The value ladder, so that you're showing your clients value to get new clients, right? You're looking for cleaners ads so that the ad that you put out connects to this, right? These two make sense. The interview process, what that looks like, right? Your bid sales script, so how you approach a bid so that you're closing 90% of the people you speak to and getting them to agree to your services. A client invoice, just a template. Again, you can put your logo on it and your information and your client's information when you send it to them. Contractor agreement, employment agreement, commercial bid sheet. So it's like a checklist. So when you're going to do a quote or a bid or an estimate, you can check everything off and you know what you're doing there. So lots of forms and docs, and we're going to be adding a lot more too. There's some good ones that we're going to be adding in terms of job sheets, so that people that go to specific jobs for you, they doing it all the time, but guess what? One day they get sick. You need another cleaner to go there. Well, they have a job sheet that tells them everything. What the dog's name is, what the person likes, what they don't like, on and on and on. A lot of good stuff. This covers your sales strategy, runs through that for you. So some of these videos run through, these scripts and forms and everything. So you know exactly what you're doing. Traffic, right? Advertising, Facebook, Google advertising, how to send traffic for people going to your website that are going to say yes to your business, right? Yes to your offer. So you're growing a steady stream of clients over and over and over again. So that's all covered. Your sales funnel. This is the big one, right? This is a proprietary sales funnel that I spent a lot of time building, that I paid a lot of money to build, that I've sold to other people for as much as $5,000, $10,000. One company paid $20,000 for this, and they use it at all their locations to generate new clients month in, month out on autopilot, right? It's not hard. Step by step, copy and paste. The software is already built. You just put your logo on it, and away you go. It even shows you how to add your logo to it, right? Shows you how to connect the funnel to the call to action button so that it's going into your appointment scheduler. How to connect to your URL, so you get a URL for this. by a URL and then connect that as well, and how to set up your email autoresponder so you're building your list. And sales strategy, right? Why $29 cleans work. Why you can turn that into $3,120, right? Super awesome stuff. Man, we go in depth on all this stuff. It's, again, if you follow this step by step, you can't get in too much trouble here. Just follow the template step by step by step. It's all laid out for you, but be an action taker. Make sure you do it. And you download the sales funnel by clicking this button. It opens up into ClickFunnels. You go into ClickFunnels, and you get an account with ClickFunnels, and the software is installed in there already for you. You open it up, and you just add your logo, your phone number, your business name, and it's ready to rock, right? And this walks you right through it. Super awesome. How to integrate your MailChimp and set up campaigns with MailChimp. Super awesome, because you'll be building a list. You'll be sending out emails to people on autopilot, right? You set it up once, let it run, and you're getting people to buy more of your services. Super effective. You can use it for a lot of different things. So here's the employee training, hiring space where it walks you through the whole process of putting an ad out, what that ad should look like. We even give you a template for the ad. You just put your information on it, and then you get employees in the process of interviewing them. So on the back end of that, you're getting the best qualified candidates, people that are hardworking, dedicated, loyal, that will help you grow and scale your business. Your training, what you should do for training with them, right? All that stuff, all in there. Your CRM tool. This will make your life so easy. This is going to make your life super, super easy, because all those little tasks that you have to perform every day that take up a ton of time will all be automated now. You'll know if your staff have shown up to jobs. You'll have confirmation with your clients that the job's still on. All this stuff will be taken care of for you on autopilot. Your invoicing, payments, staff management, it's all in here. Right? So this is a business in a box, and there's a lot more coming. We're adding stuff every week, new stuff to help you be better. Plus, you have access to us, right? You have access to us. Any questions, concerns, obstacles, issues, to help you continue to grow and scale your business. Lots of mentoring and coaching, best practices is coming soon, right? That's coming to this section very, very soon. It'll probably be here by the time you get here. So yeah, really excited for you guys to dive in and get going and to be successful with this. And I'm really pumped to hear your success stories. So good luck, and reach out if you need us, and enjoy.